Everyone, Dwayne here with Bronco Wild Outdoors. Little man Gavin's not with me today. He's off camping once again, so I'm going to do this video by myself. We had our first option installed yesterday at the dealership, and here it is. It's our swing gate folding table. So you'll see the slots in the table. It's a pretty cool design. It's nice thick gauge metal, so I really like it. Now what was here on the swing gate was this factory panel here. Now this is a panel that covers an open area. There's also, it says accessory ready. A couple places you would drill to add something to this, but in this case, this comes off, and here we go. So to fold this down, you simply open this buckle latch here. There's one on each side, and then the door hinges down, and you have these stops here, which holds the table up. I left a sticker on here for the sake of this video. It is a max weight of 25 pounds that you can put on here. Now what I intend on using it for is food prep, a few small things like that. Nothing crazy. We're not going to cook here too close to the Bronco. So this is the tabletop here. So in the bracket that actually mounts to the swing gate, this is important. You see these big rubber stops right here. You'll see there's two of them, one on each side. So, and you can actually see where they press on the gate. So over time, you'll probably see a little spot. But what happens is this closes, matches to that area right there, and latch and latch. And that noise behind us is a four-wheeler, so people are out having fun today, but not me. See where mine is today. This is in the garage. Anyway, so we undo this latch, but I want to show you something here that's really important. You know, when you talk to certain people, technicians or whoever that does a particular job, you get they know what they're doing. The technician that installed this, I really got it. First of all, he was aware that early on, there was a couple of cases where the bolts actually poked through the outer skin of the swing gate when the table was installed. So he was aware of that. He was also aware that some of them made some vibrating noise. So what he did is pretty cool. He added an extra washer. Becky's going to show you this right here. An extra washer on this side of the bracket, so behind the head of the bolt. Now what that does, it actually shortens the bolt. So that, or it shouldn't shorten the bolt, but it shortens the depth that it actually goes into the swing gate. Now, this bolt here wouldn't pose much of a problem because there's a steel hinge back here behind it. But this bolt, and this bolt, if you weren't careful, could go all the way through the skin. So what he did was add a washer here and one on the other side, and that shortens the depth of the bolt where it goes into the swing gate. Also, the second washer he added over here, Becky will show you this right here. It's kind of hard to see. There is a rubber grommet that goes between this bracket and the swing gate. By adding that extra washer, it ensures that the bracket is away from the metal so you don't get the metal-to-metal vibration. And that is a potential issue. Now, in some of the vibrating noise, people have put towels in here. They've added stuff under the swing gate, and that solved their problem. I think potentially you're putting the entire thing in a bind, and it might affect it back here as well. I don't really know. I'm trying to figure how does the gate make noise if it's against these big rubber stops. So I think he's on to something, adding these washers. Two purposes: shortens the depth of the bolt into the swing gate, and also guarantees that the metal bracket is away from the swing gate so you don't get the metal to metal. Now, one last thing. When these are put in, if these plastic tabs, there's a plastic tab here, here, and here on the top, and then there is a plastic tab on the bottom. There's actually two on the bottom here, just like those, but a little bit smaller. If those are not installed or installed properly, then the bracket and the gate touches, and there again, there's the source of the noise. So far, our table does not make any noise, and I will keep you updated as we use it over and over and over again. And we have something special planned right here where it says Bronco. See Bronco stamped in here? We have something we're going to do that would be an entirely separate video, and that's it. So our first official option added to our Bronco, our 2021 Badlands, is our folding table on the swing gate. So if you haven't seen our channel before, check out some of the other videos. Please like and subscribe. Check it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll answer anything that you have about this tabletop. It's a great accessory. Highly recommend it. Talk to you soon.